Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I'll be accomplishing a mushroom pixie cut. But first, I would love to thank you guys for 6,800 subscribers. We're on the road to 10,000. I'm being patient, but you guys, if you could just share this video, like the video, and make sure you're subscribed so you can check out all my videos and enjoy all my work. So if you're used to my channel and it's not your first time here, welcome back. So you already know that in most of my videos, I don't really talk. In some of them, this is basically a visual tutorial. Take whatever you can from this video and add it to your own technique. If you're a new stylist in beauty school or just trying to learn some at-home techniques. And if it's not your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and I will love on you over here. So we're going to be making some light little changes to the channel soon. You know, I'm trying to get a new intro for you guys, trying to upgrade a few things. So you guys just be patient with me, and we'll be loading up at least 2 videos a week, every week for you guys. So if you have any comments or questions about what type of hair I'm using or any products, you can leave that in the comment section and I'll be sure to handle it for you. And I'll be back at the end of the video to tell you guys later on, because I'm sure you guys are enjoying Father's Day with your family today. So this is just a thank you video for 6,800 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next one if you don't hear me at the end. So, mwah.